Alright, after months of complete radio silence, DJI has finally stirred the waters. And no, this isn't just another vague rumor. We now have actual proof that DJI's 360-degree camera is real and in development. I'm talking crystal-clear leaked images, screenshots from a user manual, and some juicy insider details that just surfaced. Let's rewind a bit. The first whispers about this camera came out in October last year, when a few eagle-eyed users noticed something brewing behind the scenes. Fast forward 6 months, and now, thanks to tech sleuths like Hakasushi and Igor Bogdanov, we've got a goldmine of images straight from DJI's FCC filings. And unlike the usual blurry leaks we've all grown used to, these are clean, detailed test shots. The design. It's compact, sleek, and instantly gives off GoPro Max vibes, with rounded lens housings and those bold, bulging lenses built for full 360 degrees capture. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Some internal teardown shots reveal that DJI's going with a 45 degrees mirror system, just like Insta360 uses in their X3. Basically, instead of pointing the image sensor straight at the lens, they bounce the light off a small angled mirror to redirect it. Why does that matter? Because it saves valuable space, allowing them to pack more hardware into a smaller body. It's like high-stakes camera Tetris, precision engineering at its finest. And let's be honest, the fact that DJI is using the same tech as Insta360 shows they're not just dipping their toes in, they're diving headfirst into competition with the big players. This isn't a side project. It's a serious move. And that's not all. The leaked manual gives away even more details. For starters, the camera supports the DJI Mimo app, so expect a familiar user experience if you've used their other gear. It's powered by a 1950 mAh battery, which, fun fact, is the same one they use in the Osmo Action 5 Pro, so they're definitely reusing proven components under the hood. Charging. You're getting a 30W USB-C charger. Connectivity. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, standard operating frequencies. You'll also have the option to control the camera through physical buttons or a touchscreen. And judging by the mount points and accessory slots shown in the leak, there's going to be plenty of room to build out your shooting setup. But here's the twist. Despite all this info, DJI still seems far from launch. Jasper Ellens, who's usually spot on with insider info, says there's absolutely no chatter from resellers, no sign of prototypes in the wild, and no indication this thing is even close to shipping. Combine that with the ongoing trade tensions between the US and China, and we might be looking at a product that's stuck in limbo, for now. Still, this is by far the clearest look we've had at DJI's 360 ambitions. With GoPro and Insta360 owning the space for years, it was only a matter of time before DJI joined the race. And knowing their track record with camera innovation, this could be huge, if it actually launches. So the big question is, can DJI disrupt the 360 camera scene, or did they show up to the party a little too late? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited, skeptical, or just tired of the wait? Either way, hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.